I have a problem. My grandma is going to turn 95 this year, and we have a huge cake for her the size of this table. We're going to put 95 candles on the cake, and we're going to light 95 candles. My grandma, who's turning 95, cannot blow out 95 candles. And if we use water to extinguish the flames, it will ruin her beautiful cake. So I think I have a solution. So I have a candle here to demonstrate. And as you can see, I'm going to light this candle. And here I have just a plain jar. I'm going to pour baking soda into the jar. This is just everyday baking soda that you might put in your refrigerator. And now I have vinegar. So I'm going to pour the vinegar into the jar with the baking soda. Observe what happens in the jar. So I have some foaming. And I'm just going to pour this gas right into this measuring cup. Can you see it? Of course you can't. It's a gas. So I'm just going to pour it on in there. Oh, a little bit more. Can you see it? So it appears that there is nothing in this container. But as you can see, when I pour the gas onto this flame, it extinguishes the flame. So, what gas was formed by mixing baking soda and vinegar? And what must be true about that gas in order for it to be able to be poured on top of the flame and extinguish it? Also, what does this make you wonder about our world?